In this video, I'll be showing you how to make an iCloud account. It's a very simple method. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, you might want to make an iCloud account, especially if you just got an iPhone or you want to make a separate account for like different applications or different subscriptions, anything like that. So this is how you do it. The first thing that you want to do is you want to head on over to your settings application. Once you're here, it's going to look something like this, and you want to scroll down until you find apps. So once you're in apps, you just want to go over to search and type in mail, and you want to go over to the mail app. It's going to look something like this, and you want to click on over to mail accounts. So from here, all you want to do is you want to press add new account. So when you press add account, you can add anything you want, but at the very top, you're going to see iCloud, and you want to press create a new Apple account at the very bottom. Once you press that, it's going to be verifying. You're going to have to add some details like your name, date of birth, things like that. From here, you're going to have to, create your new iCloud email address. But then after that, you'll be able to use it directly on your phone. Now, another method is actually going on over to Safari. And this method is actually very useful because you don't have to do it directly from your phone, but it is something that I would recommend. From here, just go over to your search and just type in iCloud.com. Once you're on iCloud.com, all you got to do is press sign in, and then you can either sign in with your normal account or you can use a different Apple ID account. So over here, you can either sign in with any account that you have, but at the very bottom, you're going to see create Apple account. So you want to press create Apple account. It's going to ask you for details again, any email you want, which will be your new Apple account, your password, your phone number, how you want to verify, and how you want to be receiving communications from Apple if you want to receive announcements or anything with apps, music, TV, and more. And then press continue, and you'll be making your iCloud account as good as new. Now, if you found that video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials would you want from this channel in the future.